Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the MIFA A10 Bluetooth speaker. Alright, and big shout out to one of my subscribers. They actually posed the question, which speaker is better, the MIFA A10 or the Amaze Sport 2. And y'all know how I do it. I don't like to make recommendations without having both speakers in hand, but you know, they asked me for the quick down and dirty recommendation. But as I always do, when I do those quick down and dirty recommendations, I always go out of my way to pick up the product. This way we can do an actual video on it. So I am looking into getting another Sport 2, so I don't have one quite yet, but you guys will see a versus/comparison between the MIFA A10 here and the Amaze Sport 2, so y'all stay tuned for that. But before we can get to that, we gotta unbox this bad boy, go through the first impressions, go through the review process, and then culminating with a versus/comparison video. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. Now, starting off, I already cracked all the tapes and seals. I have to tell you guys, I'm a big fan of the presentation on this one. Now, I do apologize because it doesn't look like the S8 is exposing for the colors properly, but this is a dark yellow with a nice black background finish. And you can see it just has the company branding here and their little slogan, so just enjoy. Walking around the package here, we have pretty clean packaging. Again, company motto there, and some more company branding right here, including a barcode scanner there as well, and some company information. So you can see this is made in China, all that good stuff there. And then we have our basic barcode information on this side. So this is the black unit and this is the A10 model. All right, so that pretty much does it for the packaging. Nothing else on the packaging to speak of. Very clean, very straightforward, very minimal with very subtle touches. I like that. So cracking the box here. Throw this off to the side real quick. You can see we have the speaker itself right here. So let me pull this out. Ooh, heavier than I was expecting. Let me put that off to the side. Take out this little insert here. What else do we have down here? Got our user manual. So we're going to go through this in a second. Bam. Throw that over there. And then this should have all our cabling and whatnot. So let's see what we're working with here. So we have a 3.5 millimeter cable, and we have micro USB charging, and then we have a lanyard strap as well. So pretty basic cabling. I do like the fact that they went ahead and went with the packaging here, so you get the yellow cabling to go with your yellow packaging. Really good stuff there. Let me throw all this stuff to the side here, and let's check out the speaker. So, and then we're going to walk through the user manual after we check the speaker out and wrap the video up. So, sliding the speaker out of the plastic here. Let's see what we're working with. Bam, and here's the speaker. Throw the plastic off to the side. Boom, pow. So, first impressions of the speaker, I have to say, I really like it. I like this look. It's very clean, it's very minimal, it's extremely straightforward. Nice little rubber feet on the bottom, so when you put it down, oh yeah, that's not really going anywhere. I gotta apply a lot of effort there to move that. Alright, and it kind of really sticks to the surface. Then we have our basic controls here. So, power, Bluetooth pairing mode. Now this speaker also has a dual pairing functionality to it, so if I do pick up two of these, I can pair them together, so that's really nice. Play, pause, volume up and down, probably reverse next track as well. And it does look like we have a microphone here. So you should be able to make and receive phone calls with this as well. A little bit of company branding there. And let's see what we got going on at the bottom. So, again, model number here, A10. And your voltage information. And this bad boy does have, what's that? 1,000 milliamp hour input. So that's the charging rate for you right there. DC 5 volts, 1,000 milliamp hour input. All right. And just some more company information right down there and the company website. All right. Good stuff. Good stuff. All right. Now let's check out the user manual and we'll wrap this video up. So very clean user manual here. Very straightforward. I love the fact how they put the model number of the speaker everywhere. You can't not know what the model number of the speaker is. It's on the box, it's on the user manual, it's on the product itself, it's everywhere, everywhere. So nice picture of the speaker up front, and let's walk through this. So as y'all can see, you will have this user manual in several different languages. So we got English, Japanese, Dutch, French, Spanish, and Italian. So good stuff there. Got your warning information right here. Let me make sure I get this all in frame and in focus. And let's keep it moving. Now, I will go over in the full review everything that y'all need to know about the speaker. But I know there are some people out there that like to see the whole presentation with the unboxing experience. So that's why I walk through the user manual in every unboxing and first impressions that I do. So here you go. And again, feel free to pause and read for yourself. So everything included with the speaker. We got the speaker unit itself, the lanyard strap, the 3.5 millimeter aux cable, and the micro USB charging port with the user manual. Alright, then we just have some really neat instructions with a nice layout of what everything does. Right there, volume up and down, skip next track, Bluetooth pairing mode, power on off, microphone, so on and so forth. And the functioning and LED controls. So you know exactly what the speaker is doing. And it does look like we have a dedicated micro SD card slot. Really, really nice to see that. So that means that I can listen to music on the speaker without having it connected to a device. I could just load up some music on a micro SD card and use the speaker that way. That's also a really good way to save battery as well. All right. And we got some more information here on how you connect the speaker. Alright. Alright. So, pretty basic stuff here. How you dual pair two speakers. Bam, right there. Let me make sure that's in focus. Alright. And then we got some basic information here. Okay, so you can see the speaker does have a built-in 2200 milliamp hour battery. All right, it does have dual channel audio with bass. All right, so I really big claims. I hope they can live up to that. All right, and I wonder if they talk about the battery life. Don't see any battery life information here. We got charge times. Using a standard brick not included, charge time up to 3 hours. And you can use a micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes. Alright. Okay. Really weird that they wouldn't put the battery life information. It's probably further on. Let's see. Nope. Troubleshooting. Okay, so didn't see any battery information in the user manual, and then it just goes on to the other languages. And again, we got a nice barcode here, so you can just scan this barcode with your phone and get the same information. So really good stuff. I also like the fact that they put that barcode everywhere. It's on the box, it's on the user manual, can't mess that up. Anyway, that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions. Alright. of this pretty nifty Bluetooth speaker here. The MIFA A10 Bluetooth speaker. Now, typically, like I always do, these unboxing and first impressions videos will be dropped together, but each review will come out 2 weeks apart from each other. So you guys and gals will see the microphone review, okay? The Comica microphone review, that will be out first. And then you'll see the MIFA A10 Bluetooth speaker review that will be out second, all right? And they'll be about 2 weeks apart from each other, just in case you're new and you didn't know how the review timing works, okay? Anyways, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, we're trying out a new angle here today. Please let me know what you think, as well as let me know what you think of the overall video quality, because this whole video today was recorded using the 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S8 in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second. And all the audio you guys and gals are hearing for this video is being recorded using the Comica V30 Lite microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Peace, everyone.